A 4-month-old adopted infant is brought to the pediatrician because of feeding problems and recurrent fungal and bacterial infections. Her family has no background information about the infant. They report that she is somewhat fragile and looks different compared with other infants her age. Physical examination reveals a cleft lip with intact hard palate and hard and soft palate and mild jaw malformation. An echocardiogram reveals an interrupted aortic arch. Further investigation reveals leukopenia and mild hypocalcemia. These findings support a diagnosis of which of the following? This is quite obvious now. They've given you a lot of clues. Option A, Chediac Higashi. Option B, Dye-George syndrome. Option C, severe combined immunodeficiency. Option D, adenosine deaminase deficiency. Option E, Wiskott-Ulrich syndrome. Dye-George, clear picture of Dye-George is given over here. Fragile and other. Physical examination shows cleft lip with intact hard and soft palate with mild jaw malformation. This is telltale sign of Dye-George. Okay. An echocardiogram shows interrupted aortic arch. This is also there in Dye-George. Leukopenia and mild hypocalcemia. Mild hypocalcemia due to lack of parathyroid glands because they form from the same arch as thymus. So that is also not there. So these findings support a diagnosis of which of the following. So it is Dye-George syndrome. Others like it can be Chediac Higashi. Of course, this is not a picture related to Chediac Higashi. Severe combined immunodeficiency also, this is not a picture. Adenosine deaminase deficiency, this is not a picture. It would have something related to thymus. Wiskott-Ulrich also, this is not the picture. So the only option we have is Dye-George. Actually, this is a very clear-cut picture for Dye-George syndrome. So that is the answer.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.